Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 2 of Treasure Trovember, and as promised, today is going to be a very short little video. I'm going to give you the prompt, I'm going to add it to my collage, and I'll tell you if I use anything special. So for day 2 of Trovember 2024, the prompt is add a building. It could be a house, it could be a skyscraper, it could be a castle, whatever strikes your fancy. If you can't find an image, you can paint an image, draw an image, stamp an image, whatever you'd like to do. Just add a building to your collage and then come back tomorrow for day 3.